nigga fuck with me. I'm really fucking him, nigga. Charisma. I'm handsome. I'm 6'3", 215, nigga. You can't fuck with me. None of you niggas can fuck with me. Underneath the doghouse, nigga. This what the fuck I do. Niggas playing around with that money, nigga. Go get that fucking money, cause my shit buried, nigga. Fuck niggas talking about? Fuck are they talking about? I'm the fucking king of the city. Niggas talking about green walls and all of that. Live with mama and all that. Where your fucking money at? And I don't want to see it in the fucking car either. Bring that shit in your crib. You hear me? Niggas got these good ass cribs.